Hi guys, welcome back to Artis Bloque. Today I wanted to show you how I decorate my notebooks for school. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I use to do this. I use a fine point marker or a fine liner, as some may call it. Any size can do. I use washi tapes as well as brown paper bag, or some people call it crocus bag. Honestly, no one calls it that, but people call it brown paper bags, so I use that as well. And yeah, basically that's it. Oh, you need a permanent marker to write on the surface of the book cover, and you also need a plain notebook, as in there should be no decorations on the book at all. The writings that's on the books, from like saying the brand and stuff, can stay, but that's all you need. Now, what you need to do is pick a character. I used the BT21 characters to do my first set of books for 12th grade. So basically I chose the characters based on the color of my notebook that I had. So for like my chemistry notebook, which was a light blue color, I chose Koya. And for this representation, showing you guys how I did it, I'm using Koya because he was the easiest one to draw quickly. I mean, first of all, Tay's own is also easy to draw, but it kind of took me a while to get the heart properly, so I just chose to do RM's BT21. So I want to say that honestly, you really need a permanent marker. I had to test out a lot of the markers that I have, a lot of the black markers that I had, to see if it could work. And seriously guys, permanent marker is the best one to use because none of them is going to stay on the surface of that book cover as well. Honestly, I think you guys supposed to know this. Why am I saying this? But yeah, you really need a permanent marker. So as you can see, I'm here drawing Koya. He is so simplistic, yet he represents a lot. It's so cool how someone can just make a character that represents so much but make him look so simple. I'm going to so the reason why I used pencil first and then is drawing it over with the marker is because I wanted to make no mistakes. No, I used a bullet tip marker to draw over the pencil that I had. I'm going to apologize for not erasing the drawing of the pencil when I had finished redrawing it with the marker, and I also want to apologize for not properly drawing Koya. It's because I realized that I really don't need to do this properly because it was just a white paper. I just wanted to make sure that I show you guys how I did it instead of actually doing it, because I don't have any. I have a set of notebooks, but I will be using those for different characters. I didn't want to use that BT21 on those books. So yeah, but after I finish drawing Koya over with the black marker, you should erase the pencil. And yes, when you're drawing on the notebooks with the pencil, please be light so that you don't make too much marks in the notebook's cover. But after I do that, I take the brown paper bag, I tear any pattern, I just tear off piece of the paper, and I will paste it down using stick glue. Any glue would work, but stick glue makes sense, or the little glues that comes in like the plastic thing. Anyways, I can't really explain that, but pick the side of the paper bag that will fit to your drawing so that it makes it look more neat and more put together, and then place your washi tapes anywhere around that paper bag. Place it down where it will make it look more elegant, artistic, and fun to look at. I don't really know what to say, but I just like picking a place to put down the washi tapes. It makes it look so nice. So to write on the paper bag, I used a black fine liner. I chose to do a music type of theme on the paper bag, as in I did a thing that you would see when you're listening to music, and a play button, basically. Yeah, a play button. And then I chose a solo song from the character's member that it represents. So for RM's character Koya, I used intro persona, which he did by himself, and I wrote that on the thing. And then I also took the fine liner and I wrote the subject. Yes, the subject that it is for. So you can do this in any font, any style, any way you like, but I just did it very simple so that I didn't really have to do much work. I'm not great with fonts, guys, so yeah. If you guys would like to see another video where I do a notebook cover, please comment down below and also like this video. I worked really hard in this video and I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.